You know, if there's any veterans out there or any fellow veterans out there that are dealing with mental health issues like me, I definitely suggest just going out to a campsite and just being in nature. Even though I got people next to me, well, neighbors that are pretty close by, it's still peaceful. Even at a, just a regular old campsite. It's nice to just get away from everything. And I think it would really help those of you that, you know, you're stuck in your apartment, you're just, you feel like you're doing the same thing all the time. It's definitely helping me out a lot.